Hi everyone, my name is Datta here. I am from Karnataka, Bangalore, and my YouTube channel is Datta Benur Creation, and another one is Make Your Own Creation. I have actually two YouTube channel worth of 5 million subscriber, and I am full-time YouTuber. The reason I started with YouTube channel to pay my PG rent, it was in 3,500 rupees, and it is the help of my brother Sriram Benur. He helped me to achieve all the things in YouTube. I got a award from my brother DAH, Digital Achiever Hub. So I was in part of this. I achieved a lot of things. And one more thing I wanted to say, I just wanted to tell to everyone, utilize my brother. Even I utilize him, and I achieved a lot of things, and as well as financial things, health, whatever it is. So hope everyone will utilize my brother to achieve every dreams. Okay, so I achieved a lot of my dreams. I don't know whether it will be achieved from other directions. So in YouTube, I achieved whatever things I was having the dream. It's like step by step. First I achieved the small dream, then I go for the bigger one, then I have another one bigger dream to achieve. So for that I am still working in YouTube. I'm making a lot of contents to reach my third dream. Sure. So I learned everything from my brother. So if you people are, interested to join this group, you can also be a YouTuber. You can also achieve a lot of things, followers, views, and you can also recognize with worldwide. So you can achieve that your dreams, which is very shorter distance, like which is very shorter time. So that's I wanted to tell.